How to find Snapchat games. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about finding Snapchat games. So for that, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and also make sure that the Snapchat is up to date. Now, once you're in the home screen, swipe right to go to the chat screen and open any chat or group chat. If the games are available in your country or region, you'll see the rocket ship icon in the chat bar, and this will open the games and minis drawer. You can now browse a list of games or search for a specific one. Tap on a game to start playing either by yourself or with friends. And if you don't see the rocket icon, Snapchat's game may no longer be available in your region. Snapchat has been phasing them out in some countries. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.